What's up, y'all? It's your boy Mac from Alkaline Herbs and Recipes. Today I have a seeded red cut crimson watermelon right here that I'm about to pollinate. So right here, as you can see, we have a baby watermelon right here. And I believe we have another baby watermelon right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this Q-tip right here. You see I already have a little bit of pollen on it. All right, so what I'm gonna do in essence is take this plant, go right here to this little leaf, right? See the pollen? I'm gonna take the Q-tip, rub it around here, pick up the pollen. You can see the pollen in the air. Grab the pollen like this and slowly place it on the little baby watermelon, okay? Take some more pollen from right here. And do the same thing on this little tiny baby watermelon. Okay, so now these plants are pollinated and will double in size within 2 days and begin to look like this guy right here. So you guys be blessed. Yeah, man.